Hi guys, welcome to a new video. This will be a short tutorial how to reset your oil service or engine service on the W168 Mercedes A-Class 170 CDI. Okay, so what do we have here? Nothing. There you go. See, we overdue the service by 77 days. So what do we need to do? First, we press this button twice, then we shut down the ignition, and after that when ignition is off, we hold this and press and return back to ignition and wait for about 10 seconds. Okay, let's start. So first we give a contact 2 times, off contact. Now we press this and ignition and hold about 10 seconds. Okay, this is it. Now it's reset for 20,000 kilometers, and that'll be it, folks. A short tutorial how to reset your oil service or the engine service on a W168 170 CDI diesel engine. And now when we get a key off, we lock the car. Okay, and now we unlock. To reset the procedure, we give the contact. You can easily wait. See, there is no more service indication. See, oil change, everything is good. You can just start the car, and that's about it. Job done. You can see the mileage, the temperature. No warning at all anymore. Service is resetted for 20,000 kilometers, and if you don't go 20,000 kilometers, it will remind you after 1 year exactly, 365 days. That's what I was showing here, 365 days, and I overdo it for 77 days, as you can see on the beginning of the video. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.